Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen for Mother's Day, so let's get started. To draw this Happy Mother's Day Pusheen, we're going to first start by drawing the mother cat. So right here I'm going to start with a slight curve, and this is right on top of her head in the center, and then we're going to go up with the ears. So just like drawing Pusheen. So go up the ears and down. So from there I'm going to start to bring this curve down a little bit. The side of her body, about that much, and let's bring this down a little bit more. And from here I'm going to start to draw her back. So I'm just going to go up slightly, just give her a slight arch on the back, and then we're going to start to bring it down. So just see how long and fat you want your mother cat to be. It's all up to you, and that's where you would end your curve. So I'm going to end it about right here. So I'm going to start to bring it down. And I'm going to bring it down at the same level as this curve right here. So let's see, about right there is when I'm going to stop. So then now I have to figure out where to put Pusheen herself. So what I'm going to do is, I know her head's going to be about this area, so let me bring this down a little bit more. And then from there, I'm going to start to draw the back of Pusheen. So I'm going to go up right here with a curve, all the way up to about this area where the mom's ear is, like right underneath right here. So with this curve right there, I'm going to start with Pusheen's ears. So I'm going to go up, same thing. So we're kind of doing it the opposite way of the mother. So now we're going to draw the ears. I'm going to go straight, slight curve across, and then another ear. And then I'm going to bring this curve down. Okay, so now let's finish off Pusheen right here. Let's bring this out a tiny bit and come down. So from there I'm going to start to finish mom up right here. So I'm going to come down. So we're kind of in the same area when we're all done. So I'm going to come over here and draw Pusheen's tail. So I'm going to come about right here, giving myself a nice little space for her tail. And I'm just going to draw a curve that comes in and connects back. And then from there I can just go ahead and finish this curve and straighten it out for the bottom. There. So now for the mom. So same thing, we're going to draw her tail. So I'm just going to bring it down. And really close to Pusheen, about right here. Bring it up and up. And then once again, just finish it off with a line for the bottom. So there, now that we have the basic shape for mom and Pusheen, let's come back up here and bring mom to life. So I'm going to come in here and draw the stripes, just like Pusheen. So it's like 3 U's. And then right in the center, I'm going to come down by right here and draw her mouth and her nose all together. There, so it's just 2 curves, and then we're going to come up right here and draw her eyes. So I'm making it very happy curved eyes. I'm just going to add some lashes right here. Come in here and thicken it up. So same thing on the other side. There, and when you're coloring it, just give her some cheeks right here, and then let's give her some whiskers. So I'm going to come to the side right here and draw 2 of these whiskers. So let's go right across right there and draw 2 more. And then she has these stripes on her back, and she has 3 of them. So 2 and 3, and she has stripes on her tail just like Pusheen. So let's add 3 of these. And so now to draw Pusheen. So same exact thing. So once you're done with the stripes, same thing, come into the center right here and draw the nose and the mouth. It's just 2 curves. And I'm just going to add a little U under to make it even happier. And let's come to the side right here and draw 2 circles for the eyes. And shade it in. So I'm just going to give it a little highlight and shade in the rest. There. And then the whiskers. So I'm going to come to the side right here and add 2 whiskers. So same thing. And the stripes for Pusheen. So about right here, I'm going to add 2 of them. And the tail. 2 and 3. And that's pretty, oh wait. Well, that is pretty much it, but of course we have to add a big heart right in the center because there's so much love between Pusheen and her mom. So right here, I'm gonna add a big heart in the center. So I hope this drawing inspires you to draw this for your mom this Mother's Day. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.